What's going on? It's your boy Ty, man, back with another banger. I know you guys be turned up on Sundays. It's Forex on Sundays, so definitely you should be turned up. I want your energy to just be raised. I want you to smack that like button. Matter of fact, what I want you to do right now, if you're new here, right? If you're new here, you may not understand the energy. You may not understand what's going on. So let me put you on game before you unseasoned folks get here and start complaining about what's going on this show. So in particular, this is finance for minorities. Minorities, blacks, Hispanics, Mexicans, Asians, anybody that's, well, not white. All right. So when it comes to history and historically, you know, minorities, they haven't performed well in finance. You get what I mean? So what I am and what I've been doing is just being a vessel to, you know, my community. It's super bright in here, so the camera gonna be, you know, messed up because I got the sun coming in and lights and stuff like that. But, you know, I'm just being a vessel for the community and teaching us how we can continue to eat. You know, there's another side of life where, you know, shit, people came to America, robbed and stole and put themselves on. You get what I mean? So, hey, I'm just letting you know, this is for the minorities right now. We're going to be on here chunking up motherfucking the West and everything else. You can't hear it because your mic is, I mean, your sound is low. What you need to do is turn it up. But I'm 1,000% sure you can hear it. So if you can't, exit and then get back on. All right. But check it. It's like this, man. You know, we're going to get this show popping. We're going to get this show popping. But I'm just letting you know, because we get folks on here that don't look like us. And they be, oh my, the professionalism, motherfucker. Am I wearing a suit? Am I wearing a suit? You get what I'm saying? Say where the gas at. You know I stay with the gas pack, man. Y'all make sure y'all smack that like button. We're going to get right into this, man. Starting off the day, we got Forex Outlaws about to drop right now. Forex Outlaws, if you don't know what that is, man, that's that banger. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy every time I hear one of these beats. Crazy. You know, that shit turned me into a Let's get it. We about to slide to the charts, nigga. Chunk your shit up where you from in the chat. Let me know, man. All my minorities stand up. All them people who was going through the struggle and y'all about to make it through, stand up. Everybody who, you know what I'm saying, got your mind on straight and you know this is the vessel that's going to put you on. You know that all it takes is a little bit investing. Man, smack that like button. Let's get it. Yeah, we about to light up. I used to rock Gucci if I need to stasis. Playing with the wrong poker face to get your face in. Don't be mistaken. Just because I know how y'all get, you know what I'm saying? Spark up with me. She'll never tell you because she enjoy all the places. I don't cash out on hoes, I'm too spacious. Make her pay a fee for the D, I'm too player. You don't understand the roof of a trailblazer. Run into a boss is Forex, a bold statement. And when we check the statements, you gonna have to air your whole house with. All right, you already know that's Forex Outlaws. So what we gonna do is start how we always start, right? Which is that DXY. So what I like about DXY is it gives me an overview of the entire marketplace, right? This is the monthly. So let me get off the month and let me slide over to the day. All right, so here we go. So if you don't know anything about the dollar, right? If you don't know anything about the dollar, so far, what has the dollar been doing? It has been doing what? Trailing up, trending up, trending up, trending up, trending up. You feel me? It has been trending up. So the dollar has been doing what? Giving us a lot of push, ladies and gentlemen. Dollar has been giving us a lot of push. Okay. I'm dealing with customer service at the same time if I'm live doing this shit too. So, hey, I'm double working right now. You know what I'm saying? You know, I got the book coming out, which is going to be dropping October 21st. That's just in 2 weeks. Let's go. Hold on, man. I got to show y'all, man. What? Hold on, man. The real deal. The real deal. And see, this is the first copy, right? I didn't put the cheat sheets and all that at the back. After the editing and us going through the book, doing everything we had to do, you feel me? I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of edits that have been, well, there's like all the highlighted stuff and stuff that I've been editing and doing stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? So this thing has been crazy edited, you know what I'm saying? All the way down. We got, you know, it's a really dope book. So for those who want to take their Forex shit to the next level, hey, this is going to be the book right here. When they start talking about top 5 books, trust me, man. Trust me. They're going to be, oh, you got to get Trader Die. You got to get Naked Forex. You get what I'm saying? But Trader Die going to be first, nigga, because that's the acumen. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Shout out to all y'all, man. Shout out to all y'all. Smack that like button. Let's get cracking. Starting at DXY. As you know, DXY has been what? Pushing on the uptrend. How do we know it's an uptrend, Ty? Hey, where's the market going? I want you to look at this and tell me where the market is going, right? All right. So is this thing going up like this, right? Or is it tilting to the downside? It's not tilting to the downside. obviously in an uptrend. So yes, the United States dollar has been getting stronger. If you've been trading GU, if you've been trading EU, if you've been trading Australian dollar, US dollar, well, the past day, I think it shot up like what, 400 pips or so, 400, 500 pips. GU did like 400, 500 pips in like one day. I don't know if that was Friday or Thursday. I don't remember. Nigga, my days be moving so fast, but Friday or Thursday it did like 400 pips when the dollar had pulled back. Now the dollar shot up to like 114 and then it shot down to 112 right now. So hey, higher highs and higher lows, right? Super simple. We're going to go ahead and just, I'm going to give you a quick little lesson. You feel me? But look, higher highs and higher lows, isn't that what uptrend is considered? What is a higher high? So a higher high is just when a price makes a new high. What is a higher low? It's the pullback or zone to where, okay, price hit a high, it has to retest, right? A current low, or it's going to basically retest the last highest price, which was like 112, 113, which is right here. That's why you see it. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. I'm going to zoom in for you. Let's zoom in. So that's why you see it sitting, the way it's sitting and where it's at. Like, look at the retest right here at this 111 mark. So here was the retest right here. So boom, that was your higher high. Here was the retest right here. So now two things can happen. Either A, it'll keep breaking down to the downside. We'll try to get to like 110. So for pairs and stuff like GU, Great British Pound USD, Euro USD, pairs like that, if the dollar keeps dropping to the downside, I want you to hear me, right? If the dollar keeps dropping to the downside, then what's going to happen to those pairs? Now in the chat, I want you guys to let me know, because I know we have some really dope traders in here. A lot of you guys have been tapped into the show for a cool minute, man. A lot of you been tapped in to the vibration and the energy for a cool minute. So let me know if you understand, when the dollar gets more powerful, what happens to the currencies that are going against it? EU, GU, things like that. So when the dollar gets more powerful, let me know in the chat right now. I want you guys to go up and go in. We want this thing to be as active as possible. Also, we need to get the likes up, man. Okay. So a lot of you guys were wrong, but there they go. They will go bearish. They will go bearish. Going down, going down. There we go. There we go. See, hey, the first of y'all, man, y'all was getting smacked. You know what I'm saying? Y'all was about to get smacked. If the dollar shoots up to the top side, that is a strong dollar. GU will be going to the downside. EU will be going to the downside. Australian dollar versus US dollar, we be going to the downside. Motherfucking the Kiwi, which is NZD / USD, will be doing what? Going to the downside. So on the contrary, right? On the contrary, when a dollar is dropping, then obviously GU and all those go up. When a dollar is going up and getting stronger, then obviously they'll be going down. All right, now let's go ahead and move away from DXY, because we're done analyzing that. We got to adjust to what's going on. We do know, yes, that the dollar could keep coming a little bit lower to try to retest, like 2 more points from 112 to 110. Hey, but I feel like we're gonna keep, we're in a nice area right now where, hey, we may even fizzle out around here and just consolidate until the Fed figure out what they want to do. But what's interesting, if you go look at reports and stuff like that, you see that they're going to continue to keep driving this dollar higher. Why? It's knocking the stock market back, giving the housing market a chance to get lower, so new investors could come in and buy and things like that. So just understand what's going on. And yeah, stocks are for sale right now, but are we in a bear market? Yes, we are, and we'll talk more about it. Let's go to gold. And like I said, like obviously, I can move past this really, really fast, but I'm really trying to teach you. You feel me? So I'm putting you on game while I'm going ahead and marking up my charts as well. As you can see, this shit is still in the channel. It has not broke out yet. What type of channel is in? It's a bearish channel. So gold technically is still bearish. All right. Gold technically is still bearish, except these past, what is that? 1, 2, 3 days, the bulls have been eating. So just understand. First, you need to understand where you're at. All right. First, you need to understand where you're at. Once again, smack that like button, man. If you've been active in the chat, and then subscribe if you're new. Once again, this is a channel that is, to be honest, it's strictly for minorities. You know what I'm saying? The fucking hustlers, the people that came from where I came from. That's why I exist, and that's why I'm doing what I do. For those who already done made it and shit, that's dope. Like, but we weren't inspired by y'all. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's not what drove. That's not what drove the minorities to move. Like when I seen a white guy on a suit in a yacht, that didn't push me and say, oh, I want to be like. But when I seen a black dude on the motherfucking yacht, no suit, just spiffy and shit, I'm like, hey, that look like me. I can relate. Do you understand what that's saying? I can relate. So let's go ahead and get back to that gold. I'm just saying, but I'm just letting you know, because people get over here and they start talking shit like, oh man, he's not a professional. But do you see professional fucking forex trader here? Or you see a hood nigga that be running it up off the charts? I'm not trying to be professional. I'm trying to be myself. And for the people who are trying to be quote unquote professional, I think they're all liars, bro. That is not the real you. You are, hey, nigga, after they get off the phone, they go back to cursing out and talking and everything else. So stop playing with me. You better get on the phone. How you are? Hey, Ty, what's the deal? Yeah, man. Hey, I know, I'm not used to handling business like this usually, but look, dog, you like, damn, nigga, I'm connecting with bro. Like, you get what I'm saying? Now, obviously, there's days when you should be turning it on and off, but I'm just letting you know. You feel me? So look, we got that gold retest coming out of here, and what we're gonna do, right, is we're gonna go to a smaller time frame and get a better look. Can I get better look in there? So we got this better look going on right here. Let's get it. Oh, yo, this was a crazy gold trade. You guys would have caught this in the signal group if you was a part of that, but nah, this gold trade was crazy. You feel me? That shit was off the 66, nigga, like 66 to 43. It was like 200 something pips, or maybe I think like 200 flat pips, but it was crazy. You feel me? So that was that one. But now we got gold back in the area. So what I could do is drag these old boxes, and why I like dragging these old boxes or rectangles is because these were zones that were already hit and broke. All right, so as you can see, the zone got broke right to the downside, came down and fell in this zone. Now you're like, what is this little blue rectangle? Well, all I have to do is, I gotta go to a higher time frame, but all I have to do is keep scrolling, right, and see, well, this is my last piece of consolidation over here. So actually this is just connecting here. So I'm like, hey, it hit some lows for the year, right? When's the last time it hit those lows? Like 2020. So I'm like, hey, it hit some 2020 lows. You know what I'm saying? If gold is gonna hit these 2020 lows, I'm guessing it's gonna take it as a low price and shoot up from there. So that was my that was like the general gist at the beginning of the last week. I'm like, damn, gold is super low. It may be a dip down a little bit more, but we're so low, and then we're also 2020 lows. We could be busting back up to the top side. You get what I'm saying? So that's how I was looking at gold. All right, last week. This week, we are at, what is it, 72. So I feel like the reason gold pulled up to the top side is because DXY lost some strength. So the dollar got a little bit weaker, and then gold, obviously start going up as well. Another reason gold was pushing to the top side is because the stock market is falling to the downside. So US 30 has been crashing out. NASDAQ has been crashing out, and then SPY 500 has been crashing out as well. All right. So with the stock market crashing, right, what does that mean? What does that mean? With the stock market crashing, what does that mean? All right. Told you I've had a lit customer service too while I'm streaming. It's been a busy morning for me. I got this customer service shit I've been taking care of. I think I've been finishing the workbook, because I got the book and the workbook. We just finished and crystallized the album. So Trader Die 2 is done. You know what I'm saying? I got new merch coming out. I'm gonna show you guys a preview of that as well. Some Trader Die merch. Like, we got some dope ass shorts and stuff about to drop. I got so I'm bringing a lot of new accessories to the game as well. So you guys gonna see some accessories. So I feel like gold, if the stock market keeps dropping, then gold is gonna basically get up to like 1680. Right now we have this 4-hour pin bar. You feel me? So it could be a false flag, but also, like, you guys should understand what pin bars mean as well. You feel me? So I'm just reading candlesticks. If we do not break this 1670 zone, then gold is going to end up, it's going to go from a pin bar, and this shit going to look like some bearish divergence and turn into this right here and probably end up back at 35. That's if we get the stock market pushing back up. That's if we get the dollar moving back to the top side. As of right now, we can go into a smaller time frame. You feel me? So price is 1660. So at like 1657, like $3 away, you could look to short. That would be in trend. You feel me? Because technically the overall trend is what? Sell. So it'll be technically in trend. So you're catching a trade in trend, you'll be catching you a little breakout, and then move it to the downside if it gives us that. If it moves to the top side, then you have to trade it. Right now it's 66. So you have to go into a smaller time frame and just find a breakout, which could probably be $5 up to $4 to $5 up. So just knowing where you're at when you're taking these breakout trades and knowing where you're at, then you can get it cracking. All right. So let's slide to this big 30. All right. Dirty 30. I don't know why my shit not marked up. I usually have this bitch marked all the way up. Like, I don't know why it's like that. I usually have like a screen where I got 4 different US 30s split. So why it's not showing it to me? IDK. But what we're going to do is I'll just ask you. So just like how we seen the dollar, right? And the dollar was moving to the top side. So let me know in the chat, right? Let me know in the chat right now. Is this thing moving to the top side or the downside? We just talk about trends right now. We just talk about trends. That's it. I just want to know if it's moving from the top side or the downside. Is this thing going down or is it going up? Let me know in the chat right now. I want to know who's actually paying attention. So let's get it, man. Let me know in the chat. And make sure y'all smack the like button, share the feed. I'm gonna start talking like that nigga Reza. Share the feed, share the feed, share the feed, share the feed. If you smoke weed, share the feed. If you like the game, share the feed. If you're making money in Forex, Share the feed, goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you love Forex in this game and what it means to you, share the feed. I want to know your goals. I want to know your why. You get what I'm saying? I want to know your why. You said it's going down, but up. We're gonna switch. Yeah, we're gonna definitely switch. But we talking about an overall trend of the stock market right now. Overall trend right now. I don't want you to, but it can. Fuck what it can do. What does it look like? All right. And if the Fed keeps driving the rates, then what will it look like? See, I looked at the stock market on a monthly. Nigga, I seen like 26,000. I was like, 26,000? God damn. You get what I'm saying? Shit. But for sure, obviously, yeah, we get retest because that's what traded is, y'all. We're going to get retest because why? Because that's what traded is. You get what I'm saying? So, hey, look. What I want y'all to do is keep sparking your blunts, man. Keep smacking the like button. We're about to switch back to the charts in a second. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why my the sound effects not cracking. Let's get the sound effects. Get the sound effects going in this joint, man. We about to get it popping. You already know it's your boy Ty, live and 5 in here. Forex on Sunday. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. I'm just trying to bring the energy to you. Like I said, man. Hey, they might not like how the minorities do it, but hey, look, we ain't from Alabama. We ain't from Mobile, Alabama. I'm from California, man. And how we doing on the West Coast is just a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? Shit, they be taking notes on the West, though. They like the style, the swag. You know what I'm saying? Shit, niggas try to live their life, and they call it living the LA life. Nigga, it's the LA life. Yeah, because you know it's different. You understand? So let's get back cracking on these charts because this is art. So now we understand what's going on in the game. Let's go ahead and delete this, right? And what we're going to do, so we understand is it is like it is to the downside. What I'm about to do is just go ahead and throw one of these on there real quick. All right, throw one of these on there. I'm going to do a bigger trend line, like some bigger trend lines. Give myself some space. I could pull this shit from entirely different way, but I'm just capturing this entire structure on the daily. You feel me? So I'm just doing it a little bit wider so I have a different scope because technically, shit, boom, boom. We just playing a higher high, higher low game because in this zone right here, this 29, shit, if you could go back and check, you really see a lot of shit has been pulling off of these numbers right here. 29.7, 29.6. Well, I don't know if it hit 29.6, but like 29.7, it's been pulling off this shit and banking up, pulling off and banking up. So even though we're bleeding right now, let's say we pull back because it's a zone where it's supposed to pull back. And yes, the market could keep crashing out. It could keep crashing. It's a downtrend and we know that. All right. But hey, there's some times where the market just recovers. It'll do like 500 to 1,000 points real quick just because it needs to pull back those points. So yeah, I can see price going back to like 29.2, 29.3. That's like 600 points. We're talking about US 30 instrument that's moving 300 to 700 fucking points a day. To the top side, to the downside, to the top side, to the downside. So yeah, we're pointed there right now. And the candlesticks say that we could continue printing. I just want to say, hey, be careful because there is going to be like a pullback to about 29.2, 29.3. And if it's to continue dropping, then what it's going to do is just boom, drop right out of here. Right. If not, then all we're going to do is just keep playing shoots and ladders, take this bitch back up. It'll go ahead and create some consolidation here and shit. And the next thing you know, boom, drop back to its low and just keep playing the same game until it finally stops. All right. So that's usually like once you can find out the trend and where the market going, man, that shit is simple. All right. So we're going to go to the 4 hour. All right. Like you see, it is still dipping to the downside. So it can break the support. And if it does break the support, we need to do what? Look to be selling like 28,621. That's like 100 points away. If it break under this shit, it might just keep dropping. And then what you do, you throw in you a nice little stop loss and you sell that bitch down and make you some money. And we go ahead and continue what we're doing. Hey, shout out to Edward. I can't see the like my actual chat right now until he said the harmonic guy sees you. Okay, I see you. Hey, salute, appreciate you, man. It popped up right here on my little restream thing. But yeah, let's get it. So check this out, man. Just speaking of harmonics, I mean technically, shit, y'all little IML scanner will be picking this shit up. It'll be going off. Nigga, IML scanner just going off and shit. You get what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all little scanners be going off. But this from my eyeballs, man. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know nothing about the IML shit. This from my eyeballs ML. You feel me? Shout out to the harmonic god out there, man. You coming through and showing some love, man. And make sure y'all smacking that like button too. Appreciate y'all. But once again, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So we are at the bottom of 30. And look, so I'm doing a little bit extra on 30 just because I want y'all to see where we're at in the zone, right? Because NASDAQ looks very, very similar to this. SPY looks very, very similar to this. So, hey, we're at the bottom of the stock market. The market is really, really low. We can't keep dropping a little bit lower. Like I said, on the monthly, I seen like 26,000. All right, I'll pull up the monthly for you real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, so that's a nice ass, fat ass bearish candle. So the monthly say, fuck it, we could keep printing. And then if we keep dropping, then we're going to get around 26, 27,000. That's down here. All right, is my my rectangle active? This is just a rectangle. So before y'all give it a fancy name, because I know y'all some fancy name motherfuckers. Oh man, this is the liquidity pool of the like. Shut up. It's a rectangle. According to TradingView, we are using a rectangle. If you want to turn your rectangle purple and call it a purple cloud, I mean, that's dope and all. I guess you put your own spin on it, but I'm gonna look at it and see, oh man, he put a rectangle there. So I'm using this little rectangle tool. All this doing is creating a shadow for me so I can see the candlesticks where I think the market is gonna go and drop if it's to continue to go. It's at an extreme low right now. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna have people trying to buy off the bottom and stuff like that, which, look, it could be very dangerous. Let me tell you, it could be very dangerous trying to buy off the bottom right now until you get a nice opportunity, because I'll go and I'll scalp 50 to 100 points off the bottom. I don't mind, especially on a buy up. On a retest, that's about solid. Like I said, 30 is going to move about 300 to 700 points a day. So you have the opportunity. But it's about waiting for the opportunity to present itself, because just because you think, oh, it's a retest right now, read those candlesticks, man. There's a video on my page called Understanding Japanese Candlesticks. So what you need to do is just read those candlesticks. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. You said you don't like Henko trade for indexes or commodities. FX pairs are cool though. Bro, that's trash. I wouldn't even trade regular Forex at Henko. That's the truth. It's really no point. We're talking about US 30 getting a 3 spread. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, they do got weird lot sizes. I feel like the lot sizes are perfect for those who trying to grow accounts, because they let people come in with smaller accounts. You know what I'm saying? So you'll be able to maneuver and do your lot sizes and stuff like that. For those who make bread, shit, bump your lots up. You know what I mean? Go in there, bump your lots up. Y'all be used to trading on Hugo and shit. You like, oh, 0.1, 100 points, boom, $100. You know what I'm saying? Henko is a little bit different. For their 0.1 start at 0.10. You get what I'm saying? And then it starts scaling up and stuff like that. So like I said, I think for people who got smaller accounts who, do not understand the trading game just yet, brokers like that they're there to help you, man, because they're like, man, even if you can't enter 30 like everybody else, they give you an opportunity to trade US 30 with like $50. You really can't lose there. You know what I'm saying? But this is, like I said, this is the markup on US 30. That's what I see. We've seen the harmonics. We've seen that we're in a low area. We can go to other time frames and stuff like that, but we have to let the market move, form the patterns and structures. See, I'm a structure trader. I let the fucking structure create itself, and then boom, I move off the structure. When people are like, what are you waiting for? I'm waiting for the structure to build. I'm waiting to see my structure, see my pattern, see what I'm looking for, and then I move. So that's how you guys got to do it. You pick, what you like to move off of. It's like you pick the opportunities you like to take, and then you take them. So let's slide to NASDAQ. Like I said, I don't have to sit here, going all in. It's just like, I want to really explain and break down what's going on in the game. All right. So here's the week. All right, here's the week. And the week says, hey, we could keep cracking through. And what I want to show you is this right here. So technically we trade right and look left. And here we are looking to the left. And we have a weekly candlestick, right? Basically right here in this zone. So what it's going to do while it's in this zone, either A, it could drop to the bottom of that. That's 10,007. That's like 200 more points. So it could fulfill that and just fulfill all the liquidity. What it looks like is the stock market going to try to drop, nigga, as low as it can go. But the thing is, like, these are stocks that we're talking about. These are companies. This is, livelihoods. This is money, is business. Shit, Joe Biden and his camp can't run the shit into the ground like they want. Once again, Joe Biden and his camp can't run the market into the ground like they want. You got to think, investors have hopped into crypto. They've hopped into all type of shit. Joe Biden and them gonna have to get that shit together. You know what I'm saying? For real. They gonna have to get it together. Nancy Pelosi, all of that. You gotta think, you got a bunch of old motherfuckers making rules for a new age society. To be honest, they just don't know. They just don't know. You get what I mean? But yeah, shit. Elon Musk coming out with robots and shit like that. So just think about it, man. You got Musk coming out with robots to replace stuff. What do you think is gonna happen to your money? The last bet is, damn, let's try to hike these rates, because nigga, yeah, everybody going digital. But yeah, this is NASDAQ on a weekly. Like I said, I'm giving you the breakdown so you understand where we are at. If you don't know where we're at, it's going to be hard for you to move up out of this zone, because first you need to know where you're at. Then you could play like, okay, for the weekly, this is where we're at. So when you are taking a buy against the trend, because if you're scalping, you're going to be trying to take buys against the trend. You get what I'm saying? Or if you're trying to catch retest, you be taking buys against the trend. You feel me? So you just got to know what's going on. If you're selling, you're in trend, but hey, are you too low to sell? You get what I'm saying? So the premise of the game is you don't want to be too low to sell, and you don't want to be too high to buy. Right now, the sell is so low. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, we can go into the next week and then boom, keep pushing out, but you're gonna have to let that candle formation form. You know what I'm saying? If you trade line charts and things like that, you're gonna see something a little bit different. You know what I mean? Even if we took all of these off, still you got price breaking to the downside, and this is what you have right here: some regular support and resistance shit. So yeah, we got price that could pull, boom, to the downside, but it has to do it first. And I would say do it first. Just know that anytime it hits, a support zone, it's basically regular SNR. And then we seen where we were at on the weekly. So now you got support on the weekly. So is this some very strong support, or could we keep going lower? Are they going to keep trying to crash the market? Like I said, I seen around 10,700. So maybe we go down 200 more points for NAS. You have some nice little buy limits there, and we get on our way back up to the top side. You know what I'm saying? But September historically is like a super bad month for stocks. So, a lot of people were getting smacked in their stock portfolio in September. You know what I'm saying? Let's give them one of those duns. Yeah, because I know a lot of y'all, what I'm saying, was getting smacked out there, man, this shit. So, hey, but your boy Ty got you. All right, so let's move to SPY. SPY should have the same structure. I move it a little bit slower because I'm trying to teach you at the same time. It takes me about 2 minutes to run through all these, see what's going on, and then get to my trading shit. But, this is live. I do want you guys to, even if you have questions, just, ask your questions. I wish it would show my shit in the chat. Let me refresh the chat. Okay, I don't know, but it's supposed to be showing it here so I can check all the comments, but it is what it is, because that's why I'm not responding. Usually, the comments, I would be able to see them, and when y'all talking shit, I'll be talking shit. Maybe God don't want me to be distracted today, bro. Like, nah, you got a message. Get that out, son. Get that out. You don't need to see no comments, because they can be doing nothing but talking shit. Let's get it. So now, all right, you probably like, damn, Ty, what you got marked up? So I'm always marking stuff up. I mark up by the shit really by the day. You know what I mean? Sometimes I might be on with a student or something, be on my trading partner, mark up some shit. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and delete what I have. I was just measuring SPY, how many points it was doing per day. I could tell you the research, I don't mind. So this how many points SPY does per day. Some days it's doing like 80 to 90. That's like an 82, 90. It's like 100, but like 80 to 90. Some days it's doing 100, but SPY is basically moving about 50 to 100 points a day. All right, so up and down 50 to 100 points. This day it wasn't really doing shit. As you can see, it only moved 67 points. This day it did like 122 points. This day it did 70 points. This day, I don't know how many points it says here. This day it did 82 points. So, just so you get, like, basically have a gist of what's going on. You're like, damn, why we go measure the candlesticks? Hey, at the end of the day, if you don't, it's a new market, you get what I'm saying? So I'm just like, all right, well, not really a new market, but it's like we got new people in office and they making all type of weird decisions and shit. So I'm trying to just get a better gist on, all right, how much is this shit moving now? You get what I mean? So that's what you see here. All right, once again, share the feed. Let's get it, man. Keep the energy high in here. Chat, keep booming. Hey, make sure you guys keep smacking that like button. Once again, YouTube loves it. Shit, I like it too, man. I be liking to see the likes go up, and it let me know that you're active. Okay, so we could keep pushing to the downside with the dollar obviously moving how it's moving. We get some more inflation reports, some more CPI reports, things like that. Then we can potentially end up pushing even further to the downside. It did break out of this first little area, and it was like the first little breakout to the downside. But the market all year has been doing what? Let's go ahead and erase this. So this is August. This is January 22. So this is where the start is. So the market all year has been doing what? This January 22. All right, just so you know. I'm gonna mark it up with you just so you, how do you mark up your charts? You shouldn't even ask, because I'm doing it so you can mark it up. All right, this is the live markup. All right, boom. I could try to get a better hit on it, but I'm gonna try to get up underneath these right here. You feel me? Just because it is gonna be what it's gonna be. So it's gonna look a little bit wider. but I'm just trying to smack it against support. I can even have it come right here if I want to clean it up right underneath these wicks, but it's going to be a little bit. There we go. And then we will consider this the false break to the downside. All right. So this is going to be the mark. SPY, yeah, it could keep dropping down to the downside. It looks like that's where it wants to go. But before it gets there, the thing is there's always some little pullback and then boom. You get what I'm saying? So you can make money on that pullback or the retest, which is going to be like for SPY because you understand how many points is moved. So maybe be like 40 points to the top side. It could be like 60 points to the top side. Shit, it could move to the top side for a whole day and then just get right back to pushing down. Why would it do that? Well, because I mean, it's the seller's market. So if you were playing the game or if you ran the game and you knew, hey, what are a lot of people are about to try to do because they see these candles set up like how they're set up. Everybody's gonna go for a short. Everybody's gonna go for a sell. You get what I'm saying? So if a lot of people are moving this way and people expect you to move that way, then obviously, you know, shit, I'm not saying that the broker will move against you, but the marketplace is to take money out of your hand and put it in mine. You get what I'm saying? So shit, if we could do what we need to do on these numbers by sending out another report or sending out another this, you're going to knock out a lot of sellers. Yeah, people are making money, but they trying to wipe that out. We need some more liquidity. You get what I'm saying? So just think in terms of that. When you think in terms of game, sometimes it will just gap down or gap in a direction that it's currently going and continue in that direction. But, you know, I've just seen over time from trading over the years that there's usually always a pullback. Why? Hey, I don't know. It's how the market was created and I didn't create this. All I do is trade it. All right, so now let's move along. Let's move along. Go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we've literally been at 1920K for shit. Last Sunday, we were in this. I was like, oh, it's going to go to 17. Oh, it might go to 17, 18. But then we also spoke about Bitcoin just literally smacking against 20 and what is this bottom? 20 and 18. So it's going to remain doing that. We don't have to sit here all day. You can already get a nice little read on this. You know what I'm saying? You can already get a nice little read on what's going on Bitcoin. Let me know, man. Where are my crypto heads at? Where are my crypto heads at? Let's take a little 1 minute break. I need to drink some water and shit. I got cotton mouth like a mug. Then we're gonna get back to it. We only have Euro USD, Great British Pound, and then UK oil. So we only have three instruments left after this. All right. So where my crypto heads at? Let me know in the chat right now, man. Where are my crypto heads at? Where are my crypto heads at? And then also, what's some new cryptos that I should be looking at? What's some new cryptos that I should be looking at? I know you guys are crypto heads. Y'all stay with the you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay with it, man. They be like, yo, Ty, you should go rock with this though. Hey Ty, bro. So you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get it cracking like that. I'm just like, all right, shit, fuck it. So, man, I got some new tracks too. I'm not gonna play. Should I play some of the new shit? I really want to play Forex Trader. That should be going up. You feel me? And then Forex Outlaws. Check out some of the music videos. I'm about to drop some new shit. Boy, we about to get cracking. Somebody try to tell me in my comments about $10,000. I'm trying to tell him like $10,000 is no fucking money. Y'all, they be, oh my god, yo, what do you do with 10,000? If it hits my bank account, what do I do? Like, bro, it's 10K, bro. It's 10K. It's no money at all. Get your stupid ass on. You get what I'm saying? So that's what it is, bro. So don't listen to the people in the chat. A lot of them don't be knowing what they be talking about. You feel me? I'm not a tax expert. You feel me? I'm not even a finance expert. I trade, nigga. And I'm good at what I do. You know what I'm saying? So a lot of people, they be on some, oh man, you know, the finance experts. Like, bro, we just do this shit every single day. You know what I'm saying? You said the topic? Nah, nigga, this is trading. You're going to get trading, music, entertainment. Bro, I just want you to read this book and read the first line of this book, and then everybody will understand why I was on here doing all the shit I'm doing, front flipping over people, dancing, acting, motherfucking teaching and trading Forex. That's 4 things. Graphic design. We could keep going down the line, but I'm just letting you know that like, I'm not one of those people in the box, nigga. You're not gonna put me in a box. He's just a Forex trader. Why are you trying to do? I'm not trying to do anything. See, do you see me doing shit or do you see me trying? That's the difference. If you're trying, you're not getting this shit done. A lot of you won't even try because you're afraid to be judged and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, that shit is so weak to me. You know what I mean? Like, I don't like no trying motherfuckers. I like people who get stuff done. Hey, man, did you do this? Well, you know, I tried. You tried. Nigga, you ain't try hard enough. You feel me? That's like trying to get some pussy. I tried to get some, I tried to hit, but it's a nigga smacking though. He ain't trying to hit. I guarantee you that. I guarantee you that. Now let's really talk about it. You trying to hit? Are you trying to hit? Are you gonna make it happen, Mr. Try? y'all try a lots, nigga. Shit, try a bunch of shit, make nothing happen. Hey man, did you win first place in the contest? Man, I tried. Okay. I tried to do it. So I fucking get it cracking. We're gonna go to the daily. Nice little pin bar off the daily. This was a morning star. So if you guys don't recognize your patterns, this was a morning star. The reason why this pulled back, I'm about to let you know right now. Right now. Let's pull up that young DX wire. Young DX wire. Let's go ahead and boom. That daily pack real quick. So you understand what's going on. We're gonna look at them side by side. All right. So we got a doji, little pullback, doji, little pullback. So the dollar, why this is green, this is red. If the dollar keeps pushing up and it goes back to 113, then what Euro USD is going to do is take this motherfucking retest right here in this pin bar, print us a nice little red candlestick for the next day. That would be a green candlestick right here. And then boom, if it do one more green and get back up to whatever the 14 is, then you can definitely expect Euro USD to end up right there to the downside. That's the cheat codes to the game, my nigga. You get what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm putting on for mine. Nigga, people who look like me, who came from my background and where I came from. So if they need this good golly game, they gon' get it. Let them know. Let's get it, man. You feel me? Got to keep it popping for my people. Gotta keep it popping for my people. Let me know where y'all from, bro, in the chat. I need to know where y'all from in the chat for real, for real. I need to know where y'all from in the chat for real, for real. Let's get it. You feel me? So this is basically DXY, and I'm gonna keep the DXY up, and all I'm gonna do is change this Euro USD to GBP USD. So really, you got the code. How do I trade? When the dollar is going up and it's strong, go sell Euro USD. I don't know nothing else. Cool, nigga, go sell Euro USD when you see the dollar getting strong. How do I trade? When you see the US dollar, when you see DXY or the dollar index getting strong, go sell motherfucking GBP USD. I don't even know how to trade. That's cool. All you need to know is when the dollar gets strong, go sell GBP USD. We giving it to you easy over here, man. What's up? Botswana in this bitch. Lindbergh, NYC, what's going on, man? Kansas City, Missouri, y'all going up. Hey, we need y'all to smack the like button. Y'all getting all the free game, all the free markup, and it's only 168 likes. Let's drive the likes up right now. There we go. There we go. They going up. Let's get them likes up right now. Look, 370 people. We need to be at least like 200 at least. You feel me? Because that would let me know and YouTube know, like, yo, we fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? We rocking with the show. We at 183. Let's get them things up. Look at how many people are active. That's what I'm talking about. Having an active chat is nothing. You don't even want the community around if y'all not active. You don't want to be a listener. You want to be active. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Man, that's what I'm talking about. Y'all come through and show love. So now we got GU. And look how GU is looking. Same type of vibe. All right. Now what we're going to do here is just slide to the 4 hour so we can get a better look. All right. So we're in some consolidation. Once again, hey, is the DXY or the dollar currency index currently a consolidation? Yes or no? Answer that in the chat, man. Answer that in the chat. Let me know. Is the damn dollar index in consolidation, or is there a doji? Do you see one? Yes or no? Let me know in the chat. Don't worry, I'll wait. Let's get it. Let's get it. I want to know. Yeah, well, I'm gonna smoke this blunt in the bucket hat with the Forex hoodie. Nigga, you gonna be able to get these. They be for sale like November, because I don't want to put it out yet. I'm still wearing them. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't be liking people to wear the same shit as me. So I'll make merch and make products, wear it out, have it, enjoy it, and then I sell it after I'm done wearing it. But we probably not gonna ever be in the same hoodie in the same time unless you catch me in one of the OG black ones or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. That part. Do I have yellow? I do have yellow. They don't say Forex like this. They got the actual chart of it. It's is really dope. You said, is it the dollar weak due to inflation? So look, the dollar has been going up. You feel me? The strength has been going up, and shit is not weak right now. That's not what these charts say. That's not what it is. I mean, you can think it is, but from what we're looking at, it's not weak. You know what I mean? At the end of the day, you got to think of it like this though. Like I said, whichever direction this shit moves, you just go to currency and trade the opposite direction, bro. The dollar goes down, you start buying Great British Pound. Fuck it. The dollar goes down, you start buying. Come on, I'm giving you the cheat sheet. You don't even know nothing about trading. Just had a fucking DXY up like this. Look, step one. Here, let me put you on game. Step one. And let me go ahead and moderate this because y'all over here writing bullshit on my stuff. But step one, it's like this, right? Go to dollar index DXY. Step two, when the dollar is going up, or if the dollar is going down, you go to any currency and you just trade the inverse. Boom, dollar shooting up right now. Literally, man, let me show you some shit, bro. If you say, why you giving out the game, nigga, you can. This not in the book. This is shit niggas didn't put online. The stuff I'm telling you, I haven't already put online. You get what I'm saying? Like, shit, come on, man. Live currency. Boom. So here you go. Everybody know about this strength meter right here, man. All right. Super simple. All right. So you like, oh man, these two are strong right now. You don't have to read the damn shit, but most of the time GBP is going to be a little bit low. USD going to be fire, or USD will be low and everything else will be firing off. But this is just an extra little piece for your engine. So you know what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Go over here, nigga, go back here. Hey, it's a dollar. You can literally check the strength and shit together. I got two charts up. So if you want to check these two against each other, boom, check them against each other. Look under their engines, my nigga. Go here and check them against each other. Make it simple for yourself. You get what I'm saying? Make it simple for yourself. You say you're going to stay unbiased, as you should. You should definitely stay unbiased. This market, hey, we can mark up Sunday. Monday, it'll shoot up 500 points. Tuesday, it'll crash 3,000. All I'm doing is trading what I see. You get what I'm saying? So at the end of the day, you just have to trade what you see. That's it. You can't be afraid to trade what you see. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like, the correlations don't work, then shit. Don't use it. It's 1,000 motherfuckers on YouTube and gonna be 1,000 more that's starting forex channels and shit. You know what I'm saying? You do not have to be here. I'm just letting you know. Oh man, I don't like that. Okay, make sure y'all smack that like button too, man. So then, like I said, why I'm holding up the time is because we only have one left, which is oil. You know what I'm saying? I've been here for about 40 minutes, so we got oil. And yeah, so I don't know how to allow people to come on the stream. What is this? This is Streamlabs. So I don't know how to let them come on Streamlabs yet. But soon I'm gonna figure it out. I don't know if it's under widgets. Yeah, I can go fuck with it right now because I'm streaming. But soon I'm gonna figure it out and we gonna get it cracking like that. What's my Discord? Can somebody post my Discord link? Can somebody post my Discord link? And then also, look, if you want to fuck with me, people be asking me like, yo, Ty, how do I get your alerts? Bro, like, all you got to do is fuck with my little signal shit. You know what I'm saying? My little signal group. It be smacking. You know what I'm saying? It be smacking. I stand behind my product. I stand behind my name. But, like, I'm not one of those who going to go super crazy on a promo because that wasn't me before. You know what I'm saying? I did like 2-3 years giving you free shit, but it's just the cost of doing business. I can't keep giving you free shit because what am I truly getting out of it? Nigga, a number high from YouTube? No. You get what I'm saying? So I don't want to just keep giving because you wasn't giving back. Now I was like, hey man, go spin my music. Some of y'all wouldn't fuck with my shit. Someone was like, fuck that nigga Ty. Oh, he trying to rap now. Ooh, look at him. He trying to rap now. That's the thing. You said try. But bro, I've been doing this shit for so long. You know what I'm saying? But we'll see. What I'm saying right now is this Forex music is about to take over. Millions, it's about to be millions and millions of views going to this Forex music shit. You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna see a lot of new artists start talking about Forex and investing. That's what it's about to go to. Music is moving into financial rap. Niggas is getting paid now. Like, yeah, the gangbanging shit was cool, you know what I'm saying? But like everybody, they on some money shit right now. You know what I'm saying? For real, for real. Niggas are just different. Even the hood niggas be fucking with Ty. Why you have to? Nigga, what? We getting money out here. Real trade gang shit. Feel me? Boom, let's slide that gun, that young UK oil, and let's blow up this chart so we can get a good look at it. Now, oil was in a nice low zone. It's really dope. This triple bottom hit came up, nice little retest. I love how it's perfect. You feel me? So let's see what oil continues to do. Are we gonna end up dropping to the downside? You feel me? Are we going to continue dropping to the downside? How will we know that? Well, it's printed a bunch of red right now. So underneath what, like 84, you got to watch right here though, because it could come down here and retest. So when you trading, just be looking out for areas where price can come down, boom, retest, nigga, and get back up. So in a sense, you might even want to throw a little buy limit at like 84.50. That's like 0.70 cent away. You know what I'm saying? Price right now is $85 and what is it? 85 and 29. You know what I'm saying? So $85.29 a barrel or something like that. So definitely for UK oil, this is what you want to do. You feel me? So that's just what it is. You could throw a good little buy limit there. You know what I'm saying? If it smack y'all, just have a tight ass stop. This oil. So you really want to fucking throw like a little a point, like a 0.30 stop. That's like 30 pips. You know what I'm saying? It's still wide, but you know, if you want to play it shorter, do like a 0.20 stop and you be solid. You feel me? I do feel like oil gonna pull off the bottom just because, you know, it finds a low and then it shoots up, finds a low and then shoots up. So right now I feel like we're gonna come find it because it's red. It could keep coming down if I have to buy it because I'm a scalper. You feel me? So I get in this bitch, look for some consolidation, catch a breakout like right now. Let me see. Yeah, see how that FIFA looking? And I get right up on that bitch like this when I'm scalping. Nigga, I try to, all right. In my mind, I'm like, hey, if that motherfucker push to 31, or really I try to get out of this area because this little wick, the wicks be fucking me up sometimes. So you got to be like, all right, nigga, watch the wick. You want to get in after, you know what I'm saying, after the shit start moving. So what's this, 0.3? So that's like 0.10, and that's cool. So I wait till candlestick form and give me direction. Sometimes I get in early, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I get in early, throw a stop, be like, fuck it, I'm in, fuck y'all. About to get this money. Sometimes I wait, you feel me? If I'm playing 2K, I'm like, you know what? I'll just be super sure. Let that motherfucker form on a 5 minute. That's waiting 5 minutes. Sit in my hand for 5 minutes to the candlestick print. Boom, I'm out of here, bitch. What's happening? You know what I'm saying? That's if, you know, the market's printing like that. But I'm gonna sit back and wait and let it tell me where it wants to go. I'm reading the story. It's sometimes price will get super high, right? Get super high, sit in consolidation, and it's telling you, hey, we are not doing shit right now. Niggas like, damn, I'm about to put in trades. I'm trying to get rich. I'm trying to get rich. Whole time market consolidation, nigga not doing nothing, moving 50 to 100 points a day. Now look, you can keep playing with that shit if you want to. You can keep running it up, down, up, down, up, down if you want to. You get what I mean? But shit, the best thing it is for you to do, dead ass, is just sit on your hands and wait. Sit on your hands and wait. How hard is it? We spoke about this before. How hard is it to really just wait when you're in profit? You have to wait for the money to cook anyway. You get what I mean? So instantly, we're always waiting. We're always waiting. We are waiting to get paid. Hey, man, put your money in. Let's sit back and wait to get paid. That's the game that we're in. This is financial fishing, nigga. Financial fishing. We could catch sharks over here. You know what I mean? Let's keep running it up. Let's keep running it up. Let's keep running it up. You said that boy using my phrase. I don't know what the phrase is. Omar James. Bro, that's not Omar that I used to work with at Home Depot in Georgia, is it? I remember, bro. So that could be, bro, because he was like, oh, I'll be tapped in with you fully. Hey, my nigga Wood on the beat. Bro, I gotta send you, I think, like 2 songs. You feel me? I think I gotta send you like 2 songs on this album. I think I gotta send you that what is that shit called? I gotta send you that one shit. That was something like something with strippers or some shit. I forgot what it was called. Trader died too. Oh yeah, strippers on call. I gotta send you strippers on call, and then I gotta send you something else, and we're gonna go up. Strippers on call, man, I'm always gonna ball. That shit go up, nigga. I was like, nigga, what? That shit be going up, but yeah. So look, man, I'm about to get up out of here though. I did my 47 minutes. Usually, I can push through an hour. We could chop it up at the end. Y'all ask me some questions, but as we're looking at the market, you know, it really doesn't take long to look at the market. You know what I'm saying? You really should be in a process where you just, you know, just breezing through real quick. You know what I'm saying? Breezing through, making shit crack. You get what I'm saying? It should really be super simple for you. So let me know in the chat, how long have you guys been trading? How long have you been trading? And somebody said something about my mentorship. I don't know if I have my website there, but I mean, that's how it is. But look, in 2 weeks, I'm about to close that down. Like I've been telling everybody, you feel me? We got this book and shit cracking. So let me show you what it is. This is coming out October 21st. The week before October 21st, I ain't taking no new students. I'm not taking no new nothing. All you'll be able to do is just sign up to the signals and things like that. The people who are going to be working with me will be like schools, universities, people like that. And, that's how we be doing business. So I guess now I am doing like what, business to consumer. And that would be like on a retail and stuff like that. You know what I mean? But I'm just moving to business, man. Your boy want to scale. You know what I'm saying? Life is, all about scaling. So I feel like you guys should just be like, man, all right, Ty, I see where you're going, and it just is what it is. All right. But you said you've been trading for 2 years. I see Zaytur, he said a year and a half. Omega, you had your first $84 week. Hey, man, congratulations. It starts there. A year and a half. Hell yeah. 3 years. Okay. Let's get it. 8 months, you killing ass. Hey, that is really, really dope, man. Keep it up. DTV says a year and 5 months. Hey, bro. Hey, really, really dope, man. Keep it up. He said, are soft copies available? So I don't know, right? I don't know if I'm gonna do the soft copies. I wanted to do straight hard copies off the rip. You feel me? Just cause, hey man, it is what it is, And then shit, because I had people already putting in like an order of 100, order of 200. That's what. Why do you think I'm like, oh, business to business? Cause I mean, shit, they didn't already. I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? So, shit, I don't know. I guess when it hits Amazon and stuff, you will be able to select how you want it. You know what I mean? But initially I just wanted to push a hard copy. You know what I mean? I like the way it feels. When you guys get it, the cover is gonna be glossy. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be glossy. And yeah, I guess, as I find like different publishers and stuff, we'll start embossing this, so you'll be able to touch it, and then it'll feel like you can feel the Trader Die. Like, I'm gonna only improve the product and improve the book. So the first, as we get it out, you feel me, I'm self-publishing this shit, so as I get it out, I'll be able to learn the book game. But see, I wrote this shit with the intention of being the number one thing you say when you come out your mouth when you talk about Forex, nigga. What's the top 5 Forex books? And Trade or Die, because that's the acumen. What I mean by acumen is just like skate or die, and it's just like ball is life. You get what I mean? So that was my whole goal in writing it. I was like, what's it gonna take to be number one? Shit, I basically, nigga, put a course in the book. Dead ass. You feel me? Like, and then when I was thinking, what else do they need to know? I'm still adding shit. You feel me? So just know, I went in. I made it colorful. Because like, shit, we learn through pictures and stuff. You know what I'm saying? We learn through pictures. So it's one thing to say things and then see like black and white. Black and white is dope, but I like the color. Like, it makes me, want to read books. Like, if all books had pictures associated with shit that they were talking about, it would be dope. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. Where could you get a Forex hoodie? So the Trade Game website will be back cracking, and you will be able to do your things, man. And hell yeah. Somebody said I'm the 50 Cent of Forex. Y'all didn't call me everything. The Lil Wayne, the Jay-Z, the 50 Cent. Can I just be Ty, nigga? I'm just saying though, like 50-50, you know what I'm saying? Just let me be Ty, man. Goddamn. I'm just saying. But nah, I appreciate you, man. I definitely appreciate y'all. And no, look, so I will shout out 50 though, because I do got his book as well. But the whole Trade or Die concept, like, bro got a movie, Get Rich or Die Trying. You know what I'm saying? I fell in love with the whole Trade or Die concept. So that's why we've been on that, man. And shout out to everybody who's been getting Trade or Die tattoos. Bro, when I see that shit, I be like, yo, first off, that shit is lit. Oh shit, I gotta show y'all the merch. Hold on, let me show you the new merch, man. My bad. Nigga be moving fast, you know what I'm saying? Nigga be moving fast. But let me show you the new merch real quick. And how long I've been on here? 52 minutes. So I'm trying to knock this hour out on here with y'all. That's why I've been answering questions and everything like that. Okay, there's my nigga Eli. Shout out to Eli too, bro. About to print up the do merch and shit for us. I'm looking for the damn I could just pull it up on here. Oh no, cause I got it. I just sent it to the nigga. That's the crazy part. Oh, here we go. Damn, I got palm tree. You can see my palm trees and shit. There we go. I don't know if you can see the whole. You can't see the whole background, but it's a nigga at the bottom of the of this shit. That shit fire. Hold on. It's a nigga at the bottom in the corner. Nigga, while he dreaming up the market and shit, nigga. So that's gonna be the new, the new hoodies and shit. Trader Die on the back. And we just gonna be rocking them shits out there, so people gonna be like, hey man, Trader Die, what's that? Like, nigga, you know what it is, man. This what we do. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. He said, got that Metacoast Classic. Yeah, man. I appreciate you guys. You feel me? Rocking with the whole merch ideas and stuff. Like, my goal is to push Forex to places it's never been. Like, I got the Forex pillows and all type of shit. So, I love this shit. I got Forex tattooed on my face. I love this game. Nigga, you see me in Forex hoodies all the time. I love this shit. It's trade or die for real. You know what I'm saying? And, for people who do trade, I want the products and things around in your room and your lifestyle to reflect, that of what you do. Just like a basketball player. You go into a basketball player's room, what does he have? Basketball, everything. My nigga is basketballed out. You know what I'm saying? So same thing with you guys. I just want you to be able to enjoy that same type of vibe. Like, trading should be a fun thing, man. Trading should be something that households do as a family. Trading should be, man, you go get your little ones and y'all get on these charts and everybody, no, grandpa is going up. Like, you sure? Nah, because look at the consolidation. If you get what I'm saying, this shit should be, you feel me? You feel me? It should be that. It should be lit. So, yeah, man. That's what I feel. That's what I feel about these markets. I just want people to be able to, have fun with this. He said, W motivation, W promo game. I mean, shout out to the promo. You feel me? Oh, yeah. And businesses and brands, man. Businesses and brands. I do got to shout out Henko. You know what I'm saying? They be fucking with me. Shout out to all the businesses and brands that want to be tapped in and locked in. If y'all do want to work, you know what I'm saying? All you got to do is just hit my email, man. Hit my email for the promo and I got you. I'm going to go dummy. Straight up. I'm going to go dummy for you. I do the skits, you know what I'm saying? I got homies that celebrities. If we need to bring it in, obviously, they going to have to get their bread too. You feel me? But we can make a lot of collaborations happen. I got a nice Rolodex. So if you're looking to work with somebody, you want to lurk with motherfucking Ty. Big Ty at that, nigga. Because outside of this YouTube, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Come fuck with the man with the plan. Come get that promo. I'm going to be on the live like, yeah, man, go get that chicken while eating the chicken. Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. This that shit right here. So, if you want that shit, get it cracking. Somebody said, can you give us a verbal lesson on risk management? I got you right here. All right. So every time you go in a grocery store, you spending money. You're spending money. You walk in there and you're penny pinching. You're damn. I'm not gonna get this one because it's $5.99. I'm gonna do this one because it's $4.99. I'm not gonna do this one. So hey, this is how you're looking at buying groceries, right? This is how you're looking at buying groceries. So why don't you look at trading with the same thing? I'm not gonna take this opportunity because it doesn't look good. That's literally all you have to do. Damn, man, this shit look like it's not about to do it. You feel like it's not gonna go to where it's gonna go. Pull it out. Oh, it went there. Fuck it. Find another trade. You weren't confident that. It could have did exactly what you thought it was about to do. Pull back on your ass. Or if you're not confident in your trade, throw a motherfucking stop loss. You should be trading with a stop loss anyway. If you're not, cool. Fuck it. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do it manually. If I lose X amount, hey, pull it how you pull it. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying throw one in so at least hey, if I lose, if I'm gonna lose, if I'm gonna lose 450 on this trade or I'm gonna make 1,200, that's cool. Am I gonna lose 450 or am I gonna make 1,200? And you already had that in, you know what I'm saying? And what I mean is I'm thinking about like a 4 lot, you know what I'm saying? Like a 4.50. So that's why I was like, boom, 4.50 minus 10 pips. That's like 450. Or you make 1,200. That's going to be, or 1,300. That's going to be about 30 pips. You know what I'm saying? Like a 1-to-3 ratio. So that's a quick little verbal lesson on stop losses, or not stop losses, but risk management, since somebody asked, you know what I mean? Let's get it. Shout out to all y'all who tapped in, man. Hey, plus, they got some, bro. Look, man, and let me tell y'all about the scammers that be all on the Instagram, all in y'all inbox, all in y'all comments, all in y'all follows, nigga, dancing, hitting you up, spamming. That shit don't be me. All right, that shit don't be me. You got a bunch of, I was actually able to get one of them on the phone. I was looking for the video. I don't know if I recorded on my iPhone or on this phone, but I'm gonna find it. But I actually was able to get one of them on the joint. You know how to be in the comments and they be posting all the numbers and they go stupid and they spam everything. Bro, I got one of them on the phone and I was able to record who they were. You feel me? It's like 3 little African boys, you know what I'm saying? Maybe in like, I don't know, it'd be like 14 to 16. You know what I'm saying? So because I was just thinking like, damn, is this bots? But it's not bots. You got 3 boys that just spamming all day, hit all the shit, you know what I mean? So that's why I was like, all right, man, you know, but at least we know who it is now. I told him, I said, bro, y'all, if you're in my comments, that mean you watching my content. Like, bro, what are y'all doing? You get what I'm saying? Like, I'm generally like, I'm trying to pour into him, but I'm mad at the same time. Like, motherfucker, like, but then I'm still like, bro, like, what are y'all doing? You're literally watching the content. You feel me? So it didn't make no sense. So I was like, all right, man, whatever. You feel me? They was like, oh, thigh, we're not gonna do it. Yeah, all right, nigga. I already knew. You saying it, but at the end of the day, you still trying to get your bag. You get what I'm saying? So niggas gonna eat off you. So all I'm doing is letting you know, as the consumer, please protect yourself out here. It is not me reaching out to you. Look, if I put up a message, it's gonna be on my Instagram, and I'm gonna pull up my Instagram. So you know my shit. So niggas gonna be, oh man, nah, you know, old man. We are not gonna old man today. You feel me? Because I'm tired of people hit me, oh, Ty, man, shit, I spent $200, man. I thought it was you. Did you get on the phone with him? Did you talk to him, man? Did you talk to him? Did you talk to him at all? All right. And if you didn't talk to him, then nah, man, that wasn't me. All right. So let's get it. I'm pulling up my Insta right now so y'all can see. All right, my shit. So go follow my Insta. That's me right there, the championship balling. You know what I'm saying? So that's my Instagram. It ain't no double I's or double whatever they be doing. They be doing all the extras, not no dot O's. You get what I mean? It's no zeros. So that's my shit right there. You know what I mean? So if you want to be in contact with me, shoot me DMs and stuff like that. That's my gram. And this the official gram. I guess one day I'll get verified. I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? But so y'all don't get scammed. This is my gram. Once again, so y'all don't get scammed. This is my gram. I had to put the message out just because, you know, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. I'm genuinely, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired, goddamn. But let's get it, man. He said, Ty finally getting consistent. Hey, look, appreciate y'all for helping me come back to YouTube. You feel me? Because I was over shit. Like, I make my bread and shit, so I really be over shit. Only thing I want to do is do music, trade, play video games, and that's what I do. You know what I mean? But shit, niggas start adding YouTube into the equation, and that's what made me, you know what I'm saying, really just turn up. Like, bro, let me tell you how, first off, the whole YouTube shit crazy in a sense. The whole YouTube thing crazy anyway. Let me tell you. First off, I had the intention, right? I had this intention of making money with my audience while I did music. That was the intention. I talk about it in the book. Like the first page of the book, I'm telling you, nigga, who I am. You get what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, hey, like, boom, Tyillionaire, but like, you know how Drake got his name, bro. Like Aubrey Drake, bro, got Drake. Bro, I'm like, nah, I need me, nigga. I need my name. So I've been grinding, bro, just so I can get my name. I used to be at YouTube all the time, not on YouTube, at YouTube all the time, bro. Seeing different people's names on these fucking boards. Imagine Monsters Inc., bro. Imagine Monsters Inc. And when you walk in Monsters Inc., everybody who's like a big name or something, their name is on these little things as people are signing in and shooting in these big studios. Man, YouTube Space LA got these big crazy sound stages. All right. So let me tell you. So the whole intention, bro, I'm at YouTube. I'm still trading. I'm doing my thing. But I'm like, but I'm not on YouTube though. I'm just there. You feel me? I'm there with Stream Project. I'm there with Araj. We doing flips and stuff. I probably front flipped or back flipped off of everything in YouTube. No cap, nigga. No cap. And the crazy part about it is I got it all on camera. And if you go check out them behind the scenes right there, boom, on my page, right? I got the behind the scenes on there. It say Ty Best Highlights, Day in the Life Vlogs, behind the scenes. Hey, it's all there. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna move past that. I'm just letting you know that what I'm talking ain't no bullshit. Look, I used to be at YouTube, man, seeing all these people's names on the shit, bro. Quincy Jones. I used to see, bro, just all type of people, different type of record labels and stuff. Nintendo. You got to understand, Nintendo, nigga, right here. That mean I can go in and walk and talk to Nintendo. Who the fuck you think I was walking and talking to, bro? Ain't no bitch in my blood. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, hey, Nintendo in there. Hey, what's going on? I'm Tyler K. Moore. Boom, 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 boom. I got my spill. I'm on you, bro. Straight up. If I feel like it's an opportunity, I'm on you. I'm on you, bro. What? Hey, what's Universal? Hey, what's going on? Boom, boom, boom. I'm Tyler K. Moore. Boom. Yeah, I'm gonna hit you with that. You get what I'm saying? So what I'm letting you know is like, look, man, I seen an opportunity. You know what I'm saying? At YouTube, just doing my thing. So I've been doing my thing for a cool little minute. But what made me get on YouTube? Raj was like, bro, hey, you need to start putting some of your shit on YouTube. And then I was like, damn, like everybody in the place know me. I'm Ty, nigga. Everybody in this place know me. But then when I go sign in, Ty name ain't on the shit. So the whole purpose of the YouTube, why I made the YouTube, because go look at my previous. All you see is backflips, front flips, me with the crowds, shit, enjoying life, doing something totally different, right? So I come to YouTube, nigga, put a little bit of Forex shit. This is what I'm already doing. Nigga, put a little bit of Forex shit, right? And like I said, you can go back, look at the title in there, instantly go all the way back. So we solid, nigga, we in the game. Put a little Forex stuff and it started taking off. I'm like, nigga, this shit taking off? Mind you, I got so much stuff going on, but then the Forex start moving. I'm like, all right, well, this is what they like. So boom, give them more of that. Fuck it. Nigga, whole time, we just cooking. cooking. Yeah, we cooking. It's going up. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, man, all I got to say is, look, stay on your grind, stay on your hustle. You don't know where it's going to come from. Nigga, I didn't know I was about to move on no YouTube, nigga, on Forex. You get what I'm saying? Like, I was already doing this shit, but hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm happy. I'm blessed. I'm thankful. I want everybody to take this skill and run it. Take this skill and run it. Take this skill, live it. Take this skill, just turn up with it. Take this skill. Matter of fact, if you don't got this skill, man, like, hey, we got programs and stuff. I'm just saying, like, it's communities out here, people who are really geared towards helping you. It don't even have to be me. It should be me, nigga. I got the juice, but I'm just saying, it don't have to be me. You know what I'm saying? That's geared towards helping you really run that shit up. You feel what I'm saying? So, man, don't be afraid to get out here and get to your goals. You don't know how it's gonna happen. Like I said, for me, hey, niggas start fucking with my Forex shit. Niggas start moving, boom, and everything. It trickled down into everything else. Everything else I wanted to move for me, niggas start moving. So, hey, it don't matter how it's gonna happen. As long as you keep working, your shit gonna pop. That's all I gotta say. It's your boy Ty, my nigga, and I'm out of here. Hey, Trader Die. Oh, yeah, the braids fresh, hairline fresh, you know what I'm saying? Hey, but look, Trader Die, man, that's the acumen, man. We got the book dropping October 21st. Once again, make sure y'all go get that. If you want the hottest, fires, motherfucking Forex signal on the planet, hey, man, we stay popping. Go get it, man. It's $100 a month. All our traders indexes, y'all gonna stay running it up with me. Hey, but like I said, man, y'all have a blessed Sunday. Man. I'm about to get up out of here. Salute. We out of this bitch, man.